New Range Rover Sport is based on Land Rover's advanced, flexible modular longitudinal architecture, MLA-Flex, which provides the perfect foundations for its superior dynamics and peerless refinement. Its lineup of powerful and efficient powertrains includes two 6-cylinder extended-range electric hybrid plug-ins, which provide a pure electric driving range of up to 70 miles, 113 kilometers, and CO2 emissions as low as 18 g/km1. The new 530 PS V8 twin-turbo provides sports car performance, with 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 4.3 seconds, 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds, with dynamic launch engaged.